Alright, on my 2000 BMW Z3, appears the brake lights are out. And tried to look online, see about changing these light bulbs, and I saw on some of the other Z3s, it was as simple as turning this knob counterclockwise, and the panel would come off. You're just gingerly pulling this plastic panel away. And then technically it would be like wiring and light sockets. But on this one, this is what it looks like. And to remove the bulb, you just go counterclockwise and pull out. Then from here, what you'll do is you'll go ahead and you will twist this bulb inside the socket. You'll see some grooves in order to remove the bulb. As you can see, the old light bulb has these two little dimples. And you see the little slots where the dimples go into.